things wey you go fit do when mechanic not dey around. Like this person now, dey travel, the tire come fall, na him make I call me for my workshop. But wetin you suppose do if your tire fall like this and mechanic not dey around the place? First step wey you go need to do, you go support the tire. The back tire na the front na him less, so you go support the back tire with block. Better block wey you go make sure say the tire no go move. After you don support the tire like this, the next step wey you go need to do na to slack the tire. And I dey see am as I take the slacker so. Una see I say I don slack the 5 bolt wey is there. The next step wey you go need to do, you go place your jack for where e suppose dey. Yes, you make sure say the jack dey for under this iron, strong iron wey dey under here, so that you no go put am for where this thing na pan, you go come squeeze am. If you don place the jack for this place, you go come jack am up. Just as I dey do am so. Yes. You go jack am. Una see am say the tire don comot for ground. So the next thing wey you go need to do na to loose the bolt one. Yes, just as una dey see am, the tire I don remove am. So na for you to just go bring your spare tire. You bring your spare tire, you go put your spare tire. This one go dey you more easier than when you go start to dey look for mechanic for distance, dey waste money. Maybe you dey look for motor wey you go take go where the mechanic dey, na to come back. So this one you go don put the tire sharp, you go proceed your journey. So make una remember to like, share and subscribe.